Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In the video today I'm going to be building the Lego Ayrton Senna McLaren P4. This is for the legendary Formula One driver Ayrton Senna. Looking forward to building this set. I hope everybody enjoys the video today. As always, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell down below. It's always greatly appreciated. And if you have any comments or suggestions, I always enjoy chatting with everyone. Again, thanks so much for watching, and here we go to the video. And here is the box art. Ayrton Senna was a legendary Formula One driver in the 80s and 90s. He won 3 Formula One championships and sadly passed away in 1994. And this is the Lego car for him. There's what it says. Really cool set. I like the old school Formula One car. So cool. Looking forward to building it. The box art's cool too. There's the actual scale of it on the box. And then the minifig. All right, I'm gonna get this box opened up. And here is everything that was in the box. This set has 693 pieces. And it has 6 bags of Lego. You got these neat tires that really look like Formula One tires. Then they got the instruction booklet and the stickers. Let's see. In the instruction booklet, they actually talk about Ayrton Senna's career. It's got some pictures of the driver. And then talks about his career some, the legacy of Ayrton Senna. If I pronounce his name wrong, I do apologize. I'm trying to pronounce it right. But there it is if you want to pause and read that. Then you got the car. And then the instruction booklet. Got a really detailed instruction booklet. And this set, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Let's see. See how many steps this set has. This set has 175 steps. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get to the building. Again, everyone, hope everyone enjoys the video today, and thanks so much for watching. And here is what I've built so far of this Ayrton Senna Formula One car. It's coming along really cool. Got the bottom built and just working on building the top of the F1 car. This is really cool looking set so far. Then you got the engine. It's coming along good, and then even got the little minifig here with a picture of Ayrton Senna on it. Anyways, this set's coming along. Gonna get back and finish building this set. Don't have that much left now. And here is the finished Lego set for the Ayrton Senna McLaren MP4. It's got a really cool stand here. This is for his 1988 championship. Got the stats there. Car came out really cool. And then the minifig here with the helmet you can put on him. And the racing suit even says Honda on the back. Neat minifig. And then you got the car here on the cool stand. And then the wheel even turns with the steering wheel here. All right, now I'll go ahead and take it off the stand. And here it is off the stand with the minifig wearing the helmet now. And then the car. Such a cool looking Formula One car here. Everyone, thank you so much for watching the video today. I really do appreciate it. Hope everyone has a great day. And until the next video, everyone, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.